Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Aisha Academy. Today, we are going to learn about phonic sounds of alphabets with words. You can like, subscribe, and share my channel. Let's start. A, apple. A, ant. B, ball. B, bee. C, cat. C, car. D, doll. D, drum. E, egg. E, elephant. F, fish. F, fan. G, glass. G, gift. H, hat. H, horse. I, igloo. I, ink. J, juice. J, jelly. K, key. K, king. L, lemon. L, lion. M, moon. M, mango. N, nose. N, nest. O, orange. O, ostrich. P, pen. P, potato. Q, quiet. Q, quiet. R, rabbit. R, rattle. S, sun. S, spoon. T, tree. T, tiger. U, umbrella. U, under. V, van. V, vest. W, watch. W, veil. X, x-ray. X, fish. Y, jojo. Y, yogurt. Z, zebra. Z, zip. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you, everyone.